So I'm going to show you how to turn on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now this is very, very simple. On the right hand side, whether it's open or closed, there should be this button on the right hand side. So you have the volume rockers and then you have this one. Now it's almost flush with the phone, so you kind of have to just press it with the very tip of your finger. So press and hold that button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and as soon as you see the Samsung logo pop up, then you can let go and allow the phone to boot up. Okay, so you can do that whether it's closed or open. Now, if for some reason you're pressing and holding that button and nothing is happening, then you probably need to plug it in to charge a bit, because you might be low on battery. That could be the reason why your phone is not starting. So mine has started. Simple as that. So that's basically how to turn that on. Thanks for watching and good luck.